Welcome to the Art Project. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Please subscribe, tap the bell, leave a comment, share on your favorite social media platform, all that kind of good stuff. Let's get straight to work. This is a project that I'm working on, and it is part collage and part Zentangles. And what I really want to talk about today is the collage part of it, how to glue stuff down. If you'll notice, this part right here is unfinished because there's white space here and here that I don't really want, okay? So I'm going to show you how to fix this problem before it happens, and that is by making sure that you have something that covers the entire triangle before you glue anything down. Here's another example of it. This is my favorite band. I made sure that their shape fit the triangle. I didn't just cut out around them, which would have been really good, but I also wanted to fill the space. So here is my favorite band, and then here's the instrument that this guy right here plays all the time, I think. And so I cut it out and glued it down. Here's another example. My hobbies: I like to play Dungeons and Dragons, and I do woodworking. I made the Dungeons and Dragons character sheet fit the triangle, and then I cut him out real good and all the way around and glued him down. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. Watch carefully. So here is my new one that I'm working on, and you see I've already got one glued down. I'm going to make another one to fit this triangle, this triangle right here. What I want to fit in this triangle is this skate part, and I want it to fit this entire triangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that and lay it right there, and then I'm going to put this ruler on this line. Now this line right here goes all the way over. So if I'm on the line right here, then I'm probably on the line over there. So make sure I'm on the line right here, and then draw my line all the way across. Then I'm going to rotate my ruler to this line, and if I'm on this line, then I am probably on the line all the way down. Draw it. Now I can take my scissors, cut it out right on that line, and right on this line, and look at there, it does. All right, it actually fits that triangle perfectly. See that? Hope you can see that in the video. Put it right there like that. Then I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to kind of go across the edge of the board to mark this end. All right, and I'm going to cut that off. And if all goes according to plan, that will fit. Perfect. Okay, so now I want to glue it down, but this is not kindergarten anymore. Kindergarten, your teacher probably told you ... not a lot, because they didn't want you to spill glue, pour glue everywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to really make this into a sticker, okay? I want it to be a sticker. I want it to have adhesive everywhere. So I'm going to put down a piece of scrap paper, put it right there. The sticker, this is the side that I want showing, so I'm putting the bottom side up. I've got it on a piece of scrap paper so I don't mess up my table or my picture. And I'm going to put stick glue. I got some good stick glue. This stuff doesn't dry out real fast, but it will dry fast enough that I can kind of keep moving on with life. So we want to work fast. I want to make sure that all the edges are covered in glue and the middle is also covered in glue. This whole thing, a sticker, like a bumper sticker, has adhesive all over the back. So when you put it on your car, it's not flopping everywhere. So I don't want this thing flopping everywhere. I want it permanent on my picture. Move my scrap paper out of the way. Very carefully ease this into place, making sure that it's lined up. press it down. You can take another piece of scrap paper, put over it, and you can rub down on it without getting glue everywhere and without making the paper kind of curl up or push up or mess up or anything. So now that skate park is on there perfectly in that triangle. All right. Now I'm not done yet. This is my hobbies. This section was my hobbies. I like to skateboard. I also like to take photographs. So I cut out a picture of a camera, and I cut it out perfectly around the edge so that there was no sloppy background showing or anything like that. It is cut out perfectly around all the edges. Now I'm going to take this and glue it down. Same thing is true. Be careful. Don't get glue anywhere on the picture other than the back. Set this down on a piece of scrap paper. Same thing is true. You want to get glue everywhere and turn this camera, whatever it is you're gluing down, you want to turn it into a sticker. So I'm getting glue all over the back of it. You can also do this with Elmer's glue. Just be careful. Don't get it everywhere, and don't put too much, but you want to cover the entire back of it. Move your scrap paper out of the way, and then put your camera down. And I'm going to do my camera right here, just like smack dab in the middle. I don't think I want to do that. I'm going to put it down here, resting on the edge of the triangle. There we go. And so that's obviously not all I'm going to do right there, but that is what I wanted to show you in this video, is how I want stuff glued down. When that dries, you won't be able to get it up. You can't get your fingers up underneath those things. Papers won't get caught on that because now it is permanently part of the picture. Here's one I did earlier. It's dry. You can't get that peeled up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share and show all your students, all that kind of good stuff. Go make some art.